Bitcoin red alert. Is the positive streak we had going to an end? You want to know everything about that, the last information about crypto world and much more? Yes, then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news, fun on the right, crypto a tope. Do you believe in miracles? I believe in miracles. Sexy thing. Well, if you believe in miracles, maybe you believe that Bitcoin can go today as high as $28,500. If that's so, then we'll avoid the red candle in the monthly chart for Bitcoin. After 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles, we are going to end May with a red one. So the good time for Bitcoin might be over. We are having a red May as we had it last year, 2022, and we had it on 2021. So now, what do you think is going to happen? And remember that at the beginning of the month, we create a video telling you our expectations for the next month. Well, remember the last of those, we told you that if we found a red candle, we might be doing something similar to the situation in 2016. That was a January, and that was the beginning of 4 months flat. So maybe we are going to do something similar. Patience is going to be needed if that's so. We are going to tell you everything about that in our next crypto news, so do not miss that out. We're going to tell you about the possibilities for May on Bitcoin. And remember that if we are going to do something similar to 2016, well, the idea will be this pattern, and we have 2 possibilities. One is the red one, which will take us to 20,022 approximately for Bitcoin. And then we have to wait till October to have $45,000. But also remember that maybe we are not going to follow the time exactly like that. If we take the pattern and move it to a similar situation we are having, maybe this will be the path and we will not go as low. Any case, it's going to be flat. If that's the case, do not miss our next video. And how is possible we are having a red month, where we told you in the last video in Crypto News in Spanish and in English that we are expecting a very good month of June due to pieces of information coming from Asia. Remember that in Hong Kong, you can buy crypto legally since June the 1st. So maybe it's a little drop, but finally will go up. Maybe, as we told you there, this has to do with the ceiling, debt ceiling, and maybe the markets are not so sure that United States is going to get into an agreement on the Senate. And maybe that's why right now we're going down. Well, I expect finally we'll have a resolution in a positive way there, because I don't believe United States is going to go into bankruptcy. So yeah, maybe we're going down today, and in a couple of days we'll go up again. Remember, 5th of June is the deadline for that debt ceiling, so they better have a resolution for that time. And since then, Bitcoin trying to find support in the $27,000 range, and we didn't found our double bottom target. It's not going up to $30,000, but we are going down. Maybe to a $25,000 line, maybe 20,000. But to be optimistic today, we have this crypto proof pattern. It's a megaphone, and if that's so, we eventually in the future need to go to $85,000. That would be awesome. And more for optimism, well, we have this gap in the 4-hour chart for CME futures, and remember, 90% of those are filled. To fill it, we have to go to around 26,800. If we do that, then Bitcoin can be ready to go to the upper one in $30,000, or any case, remember that we have another one going down to the $20,000 and also 9,600 and also 3,000. So we'll see about that. We need dollar to go down. It's going up. That's why crypto and the stock market is going down. But we have this chart here from the Scalping Pro. He believes that maybe we will find resistance in 105 and we will have a similar pattern as here. So we'll drop to 95. That would be so cool. Remember that this line we draw randomly told us about the 105, and now also this consideration with previous stops. So hopefully that's true, and dollar goes down, then the stock market will go up. Not today, maybe, because Asia is going down. Even though in United States we have crazy good news, for example, with Nvidia, the stock market, the stock Nvidia go to 1 trillion market cap. This is the size of almost the entire crypto market. It's the 9th company in history to reach that milestone, $1 trillion. And it took 30 years for Nvidia to get there. Those are some of the ones, just 9 companies achieved this in the past. And you can see that it took for them a longer time. I missed it, but well, for Facebook, for example, for something like 40 years, etc. And in a speech, one of the responsibles of NVIDIA told us amazing things about AI. Here you can see again, this is not scripted at all. So you go there into a bar, into a club, and you talk to a character that has a background about the story, but it's not scripted what they tell you. So it's a very different way of playing. NVIDIA is allowing this. This is a company that is changing gears from mining to gaming and now to AI. Analysts believe that maybe the price will go as high as 600. The pessimists believe it can be as low as 175. What do you think about it? And also, you can see that right now NVIDIA is 5th by market cap on Wall Street, just very little to surpass Amazon, that is right now in 4th positions. Good news for NVIDIA, and I am so sad I didn't buy it. But we are happy also with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin hash rate keeps on going higher. And now in El Salvador, the country where Bitcoin is legal tender, they have a new advisor. It's called Saifdian Amos, and remember, is the writer of the Bitcoin Standard. You can find a link to the book in our website, FunOntheRide.com. Books recommended. You have there a great selection of crypto books that you have to read, and some of their books not related with crypto that I believe are awesome too, and I have read them. Good news also for Bitcoin with Theter. They now are going to mine in Uruguay. Remember the other day we told you they are going to buy Bitcoin. Now they are mining. So maybe one of the biggest concerns we have in the crypto world is going to be avoided. The fiasco of Tether. What do you think about USDT? And here in Prague, all over the world, you can see a guy paying the croissants with some Bitcoin, one coffee shop at a time. The market is in the red. We have Ethereum going down. We have Litecoin that is not going anywhere. And the halving told us contrary. The bubbles are in the red, and the most important ones going down. Stable coins are the greener ones, and in the worst ones we have IOTA that had a good week, but right now it's going down, and also Pepe is going down. Optimism, let's talk about this. Well, for the meme coins, all of them mostly going down. If we go to DEX tools, you can see that Pepe keeps on going down. And we draw this line. So maybe there will be the moment for buying a Pepe. This is not financial advice. Be careful, it might go to zero, but I'm starting to believe that I might just buy $100, something like that, if it touches this line. Where can I buy it? Well, I can use the site of our partners, Bit2Me. Thank you very much for sponsoring FunOntheRide. You can register now with the link in the description. You have the channel, and also you have advantages because you are going to have free commissions for 30 days up to 100 euros. So cool. There you can buy Pepe in their wallet, or maybe you're not interested in Pepe and you want to buy some XRP because you heard that it's going crazy up. The last day it went up, it went above the 0.5. Now we are finding their support. So what's going on with Ripple? Maybe people know things that we don't. Or maybe you want to buy Cardano, that right now we know that the transactions are spiking as SNEK is rallying to all-time high. Also, what about Dogecoin? Also about those NFTs, not on Cardano, but on Dogecoin that are going crazy up. Not the price, but maybe we are getting ready to another explosion of Dogecoin. Well, then you may want to go to Bit2Me, but not the wallet, the pro platform for trading they have on beta. You can go there, try it, find your Cardano, find your XRP, and there you'll have better commissions that you can compare with other competitors like Kraken instance, for instance. And remember that if you use the link I leave you in the description right now, you will have up to 30 days and up to 100 euros in commissions free. So that's better than any other exchange. Go there and take advantage of the situation. Again, link in the description. Or maybe you want to buy Optimism. Why? Because they are going to release a lot of tokens today. Some believe this is a good thing. Some believe this is a very bad thing because we have more tokens and so the market cap is diluted there. So we'll see tomorrow how the market reacted to this news for Optimism. It's going to be a very, very interesting day. Right now, it's going up with a hammer, and we'll see how the day ends for Optimism. Bad news for Tron, but finally good ones. Sorry for that. Tron avoided 500 million multi-sig vulnerability. So we have fiascos with cold wallets and now also with multi-sigs. Well, allegedly it's fixed right now. But again, remember that in crypto world, you have a lot of risks associated. In the DeFi ecosystem, between $40 and $50 billion, of course, and now ordinals that have more than 10 million inscriptions. So you can see that ordinals is not going anywhere. And about our partners coin tracking, remember we are so close to the deadline for your tax report. So go to coin tracking if you need it. It's the platform I use for tracking my portfolio and also for that tax report. Link in the description. And they are celebrating the 10th anniversary for coin tracking, so they are the smarter, they're the best product in my opinion. If you use the link below, you have a 10% discount and you help the channel. Thank you very much. Maybe Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, maybe in a Spanish rocket. Now we are launching rockets from Spain, not from Spain, but from a Spanish company. They're going to put satellites on space. Okay, cool. But remember that we might commit mistakes in the crypto sphere. Be careful with that. Like this monkey lost its banana, or this guy that is stuck in crypto because he was too of a risk. And what about this guy is not understanding the situation? He wants to learn, but he is not doing it right now. What about this guy? So happy because doesn't care about the market conditions as this bear that is out there having fun as we are going to go right now. There's no more time today. If you want this very same video in Spanish, go to our primary channel, FunOntheRide. If you want more in English, just wait for the next show. Crypto news, FunOntheRide, health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come. And crypto a tope. To the moon!